AD minus BC not equal to 0 represent the conformality. Therefore, it has no critical points. Then some standard transformations, actually translation W is equal to Z plus A, that is a shifting. Rotation W is equal to AZ where mod A is equal to 1. Inversion W is equal to 1 by Z. Then linear transformation W is equal to AZ plus B. These are derived from the transformation W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, some assigning some particular values for Z and the constants. Here we discuss the transformation inversion W is equal to 1 by Z. Z is equal to X plus IY, that can be represented polar form or modulus amplitude form R e raised to I theta. Then its image W, that is equal to R e raised to I phi. Then the transformation become R e raised to I phi is equal to 1 by R into e raised to minus I theta. So that capital R is equal to 1 by R and phi is equal to minus theta. Thus, under the transformation W is equal to 1 by Z, a point R theta in Z plane is mapped into the point 1 by R and minus theta. It is a reflection or inverse proportion. Then we discuss one of the important result. The map or inverse map W is equal to 1 by Z maps every straight line or a circle onto a circle or a straight line. The proof is already given. The next property of linear fractional transformation is every linear fractional transformation W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D maps the circles and straight lines in Z plane onto the circles and straight lines in W plane. That is, every linear transformation, every linear fractional transformation can be written as some combination of the standard transformation, translation, inversion and rotations, like that. These all transformations maps circles or straight lines into circles and straight lines. Hence the proof. Fixed point of a mapping W is equal to F of Z are points that are mapped onto themselves or kept fixed. That is, W is equal to F of Z is, that is equal to Z, that is Z mapped to Z. Fixed points are mapping W is equal to F of Z are points that are mapped onto themselves. Check the table. The first transformation I consider the identity map, that is W is equal to Z. In this, every points are fixed points. W is equal to Z bar infinitely many, that is every real number has its conjugate is same. Inverse W is equal to 1 by Z, there is W is equal to 1 by Z, instead of W substitute Z, that is 1 is equal to Z square. It has two exactly fixed point. W is equal to CZ, it is one fixed point. Then translation W is equal to Z plus C, it has no fixed points, that is translation means shifting from one position to another one. It has no fixed points. Question: find the inverse of W is equal to Z minus I by Z plus I. The inverse of a linear fractional transformation, we already discussed the result. AZ plus B by CZ plus D is Z is equal to DW minus B divided by CW plus A. Using this result, we can easily written the inverse of W is equal to IW minus I divided by W plus 1. Interchanging the constants and put a negative sign here. Then the next question, find the fixed point of the transformation W is equal to 16 Z raised to 5. The fixed points, that is F of Z is a function that is mapped to Z. F of Z equal to Z, that is F of Z equal to Z raised to 5, that is equal to Z. Z raised to 5 is equal to Z, that is Z raised to 5 minus Z equal to 0. Then we take Z as a common, Z raised to 4 minus 1 equal to 0, that is Z equal to 0 and Z raised to 4 is equal to 1, that is Z equal to 0. The fourth power of 1 is 1R plus or minus 1 and plus or minus I. The total number of roots is equal to 5. Therefore, Z equal to 0, 1, minus 1 plus I minus I are fixed points. Thank you.